Cause we got scared when it got darker at night, cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight